Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The lake breeze is at its peak here as the city falls away to reveal one of the most stunning vistas in the entire Midwest. This is Voinovich Bicentennial Park, a 4.5-acre masterpiece of green space that sits right on the tip of the North Coast Harbor. This park is the ultimate front porch of Cleveland, a place where the industrial strength of the city skyline meets the vast, infinite horizon of Lake Erie. It was named after George Voinovich, a legendary figure in Ohio politics who served as both the mayor of Cleveland and the governor, and it stands as a tribute to the city's bicentennial celebration. When you look back towards the city from this vantage point, you get the absolute best view of the land. You see the glass pyramid of the Rock Hall, the massive curves of the football stadium, and the towering skyscrapers of the downtown core, all lining up in a perfect architectural row. It's a perspective that makes you realize just how much the city has transformed. What used to be a bustling, gritty industrial dock is now a place for festivals, outdoor concerts, and a quiet moment to soak in the water. The park is designed with sweeping walkways and tiered seating that feels like a massive outdoor amphitheater, where the main show is the lake itself. One of the most photographed spots in the entire state is right here, the iconic Cleveland script sign. It's a symbol of city pride that beckons everyone to stop and acknowledge that they've made it to the water's edge. But beyond the photo ops, there's a deep sense of history in the grounds you're standing on. This park represents the successful reclamation of the shorefront, turning land that was once dominated by shipping and rail lines into a public sanctuary. The contrast here is incredible. You have the modern, sleek design of the park sitting right next to the massive historical freighters that still navigate the harbour. Whether the sun is reflecting off the glass buildings or the lake is kicking up whitecaps during the North Coast storm, the energy here is refreshing and expansive. It's the one spot in downtown where you can truly feel the scale of the Great Lakes. This park is a reminder that Cleveland isn't just a Midwestern city. It's a coastal powerhouse that has learned to embrace its natural beauty without losing its rugged edge. It's the perfect place to catch your breath, take in the skyline, and realize that the heart of the city is even bigger than the buildings that define it. This is the land, at its most open and most beautiful.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.